Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashik Rahman. So now I will talk about our Python code. The code is for scraping and cleaning the dataset. So here you can see that we have imported our necessaries library, which were the NumPy and Pandas, and other libraries. Here we also took the iterate tools for the iteration, and you can see that our data set is here. So we took multiple data. You can see that from year 2000 and 2001 to 2015 and to 2016. So there are so many data set. That's why we need to trace the data using the date and combine them. So here you can see the code. So after that, we just need our required data column for our model. So here you can see we took the for our final data set is date, home team, away team, FTGH, and FTAG and FTR. So after that, here you can see that this is the gates, this chunk for the gates, the goal scored and arranged by the teams and match week. So basically this we try to get the goal connected by the arrange and teams and match week, and the value corresponding to key is listed containing the match location. So uh, here we also apply the we after that we apply this code to our data set. Here you can see, and then for the get respective points, we take the result into result as two type of result is if it's winning or drawn. So after that you can see the else the result returns 0. So for the matches applied the points. Okay. Mm, so basically here all the values we are assigning to our data and checking whether it's home team winning or the away team is winning. Then after we successfully run it, then here is the we put the points to all of our data sets. You can see from here, and for this one is the get team form. So we get the form of the teams, like the values of the all members. We want to also consider this data, these values for our winning rate. So after finding the form, we use the add from definition df for the statistic, and I think it's almost everything here. So after that we rearrange all the columns according to our necessary values. Then here also the get last year position as also an independent variable, like the what was the values, what is the position for the team, for the what was the position of the EPL standing and ranking. Here we can see that if the statistic is 1, standing is 0 1, we find it from 0 to 15 standing, and then we get the match week also as consideration. Then after that we do the final data frame and just combine them all. Okay. uh, I think that's all for us, like for our scraping and cleaning. You can see after that we just save the values into our final data set, and also we just like divide for our test data, and for final dataset. So now my friend Lincoln will talk about the prediction part.
So for the prediction, we had to do first data processing. Data processing, we use the libraries as mentioned earlier, pandas, and then yeah, the software library we use XGBoost for gradient boosting. And so this is the final data set we got earlier. That yeah, this is the clean data set as mentioned earlier. So here you can see full time, half time, points, HM3. These are from the data sets. This is the so this is full time results. Yeah, hometown goal difference, away team goal difference, home team points, away team points, this and that. So there are 12 other features, foul shots, those, and output is full time result. So it is H equals to home win and D equals to draw, A equals to away win. So data exploration. So here you can see the we printed total number of matches played so far, all the seasons, total number of features, number of matches won by home team, winning rate of home team. So here are the answers we presented earlier in the slides. This is the visualization of distribution of data. So home team goal difference, away team goal difference, home team points, away team points, different from the points. So these are the things. Then we found the correlations. So first, this is the heat map. You can see that these are the histograms. So these are the correlations with the opposite. So here, so now the preparing the data. So this is the pre-processing part. You can see this is the pre-process features. Pre-processes the football data and converts categorical variables into dummy variables. Um, so here the features. This is the 5 rows we printed and 24 columns here. So now the validation, import, train, tests, validation. So cross validation, we did training and testing. We used 3 algorithms as mentioned earlier, that is the logistic regression, then SPD, then XGBoost. So this is the predict levels, train, classifier, train, predict, analyzing the 3 models. XGBoost is initialized later. So first logistic, then SVC, then XGB. So here you can see that we did, yeah, as we also mentioned this in the slides. This is the training of logistic regression, this is the training of SVC, this is the training of XGBoost classifier. So clearly XGBoost seems like the best model as it has the highest F1 score and accuracy score on the test set. So we also mentioned this in the slides too. So this is, we are just overviewing the course we did here. So that's it. We already have, yeah, shown all this in the slides. This is just the basic things we did, overviewing the codes. So thank you for listening to our video presentation. Assalamu alaikum.